welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 19th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter 2025 financial results of Niu Technologies, a leading provider of smart urban mobility solutions. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Niu Technologies has been making waves in the electric mobility sector, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Niu Technologies reported revenues of RMB 682.0 million for the first quarter of 2025, marking a 35.1% increase year over year. However, they also reported a net loss of RMB 38.8 million. John, can you break down these numbers for us?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by a significant increase in e-scooter sales volume, which rose by 57.4% year over year. Despite this, the company reported a net loss, albeit reduced from the previous year's $54.8 million. The gross margin decreased to 17.3% from 18.9% last year, mainly due to higher costs in international markets and changes in product mix.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Niu Technologies has shown impressive growth in e-scooter sales, particularly in China. What are the key operational highlights, and how do they plan to sustain this growth?
The company sold 203,313 e-scooters in Q1, with a remarkable 66.2% increase in the Chinese market. This growth is supported by their expanding retail network and innovative product offerings. Internationally, sales grew by 6.4%, despite geopolitical challenges. Looking ahead, Niu expects Q2 revenues to increase by 40% to 50%, driven by continued product innovation and market expansion.
Strategic initiatives and market challenges. Dr. Yan Li, the CEO, mentioned some strategic initiatives and market challenges. Can you elaborate on these points?
Dr. Li highlighted their focus on integrating advanced technologies like millimeter wave radar and AI smart ecosystem to enhance user experience. While they face challenges from volatile U.S. trade policies, Niu is leveraging innovation and agile infrastructure to navigate these issues. Their cost reduction efforts in China have positively impacted margins despite international market pressures.
Key takeaways. In summary, Niu Technologies has demonstrated strong revenue growth and a reduction in net loss, with promising future guidance. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Niu's focus on innovation and market expansion positions them well for future growth. However, investors should be mindful of the challenges in international markets and the impact of trade policies. Overall, their strategic initiatives and cost management efforts are encouraging.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Niu Technologies' performance in the comments below.